This video explains the problems many vertical farms are facing today, and how BK Conveyor Culture, or BKCC, offers practical solutions. Vertical farming is seen as the future of agriculture. But now, many vertical farms are shutting down. Why? First, they say energy costs are too high, but this was already known before they started. Then they admit they need far more workers than expected. And even worse, those workers don't stay long enough to become skilled. Another issue is crop inflexibility. Producing the same crop all year round, regardless of seasonal demand, makes it hard to compete in the market. There's also an environmental issue that often goes unnoticed. Even closed-loop irrigation systems periodically need to dump their nutrient solution, creating a serious environmental burden. Most vertical farms use fixed rack systems. Workers must bend, twist, and reach within arm's length, then move to the next spot again and again. It's slow, tiring, and dangerous, not efficient. These farms lose money fast, and shut down. BKCC offers a simple and powerful solution. Why do we need vertical farming? Yes, land shortage, climate change, and the ability to grow food year-round, regardless of weather, are important reasons. But there is one more big reason. People no longer want to do hard, outdoor farming, dirty and physically demanding work, often in tough weather. The real crisis is labor. Fewer people want to do this kind of work. BKCC was not built on machine-centered automation. It was built on human-centered design focused on people who want safe, comfortable farm work without hard physical labor. The idea is simple. Let one person do everything from one spot. No repetitive climbing. No long walking. No heavy lifting. Just one-point work, with light trays that come to the worker automatically. BKCC combines a smart conveyor system with a special irrigation method. It can switch from root zone soaking to gentle overhead spraying. And it drains water quickly by tilting the tray. Compared to fixed rack systems, BKCC gives 20% more growing area in the same space. It reduces worker walking and climbing by 36 times. And it uses only 1/6 the water. Another key advantage is that BKCC is highly compatible with IT, AI and robotic automation systems. This enables smart control, easier data tracking, and efficient remote management compared to other systems. BKCC isn't locked into growing just one crop, like lettuce. It can grow microgreens, animal fodder, herbs, and seedlings, many kinds of crops in the same system. This helps the farmer change crops quickly when the market changes. That makes the business more stable and profitable. There's also an environmental problem people don't see. Even closed-loop systems must replace all the solution water periodically. This creates waste and impact. BKCC is not 100% free from this, but it replaces solution water far less. BKCC is scalable. It works in large facility or small business. There are container farms, supermarket units, salad bars, and even family-sized farms, all using the same design. One unit can feed 1,000 cows with only 1,000 square meters, or give stable income to a small couple-run farm. BKCC can also be integrated into smart cities, offering fresh food production directly where people live, work, and shop. In this smart city dome, BKCC technology transforms vertical farming from a costly burden into a scalable, efficient, and worker-friendly solution. No ladders. No heavy lifting. Just clean automation, modular design, and a truly human-centered farming system, integrated seamlessly into the cities of tomorrow. BKCC is not just a concept on paper. It comes from long experience with real hydroponic greenhouses. It is easy to run. It does not need many workers. It does not require any special training. And it does not need expensive maintenance. BKCC is revolutionizing vertical farming. It cuts labor costs by 2/3 or more, and makes farming easier for everyone. It boosts productivity by 60% or more, adapts quickly to changing markets, and minimizes environmental impact, using 80% less water. With a simple, reliable mechanism and standard tray compatibility, BKCC is easy to operate, easy to maintain, and ready for automation. All these benefits are made possible through this revolutionary farming system. BKCC is not just a system to grow. And it makes people want to do it. BKCC makes farming easy. It is a new solution, for older farmers who want to keep going, and for younger people who never thought of farming. BKCC, vertical farming that works.